Hi, it's Christian from SPACETOOLS here. So probably you're wondering what is the proven recipe. You know, recipe has pros and contras. The pro is that it's marketing bullshit that really works. Okay, everybody wants a proven recipe, a magic pill that will help them. Now the problem is that it is like a one single shot that solves just one single problem. A better way to go is to focus on understanding a principle, you know. So imagine, for example, companies that they hire marketing companies, agencies that take care of Facebook. And Facebook, they change every week, okay? So how can you provide a recipe that works when the rules or the details of using it change every week? But they never expose their secret, the principles of their work, because that is their knowledge. And that's okay, that's the business. But this is how you should also think about your team. And there it works a bit in contrary, sort of. But the principle is the same. The thing is that if you're a manager of your team and you always give the recipes, the proven recipes to your team, but you never go deeper into principles, then they will keep going for every single problem, every little advice. They will keep chasing you and you will have to have answer for everything. But when you teach them how to focus on principles, how to understand core principle of each of the issue, it may take longer at the beginning, as it did with my kids here in the climbing park. It didn't take me 3 minutes, it took me 9-10 minutes to explain the principle, which is first check how the route goes, then hold always as high as possible, try to move as little as possible, and always breathe, okay? And once I explained, they were able to climb all the other obstacles here on their own. So that's the same thing with the sales team. If you teach them the principles, sooner or later they will be able to solve problems on their own, and you will be able to focus on higher, more important, more advanced, more important things. Okay? Because you don't have time, you don't have capacity to solve every little stupid thing. So principle is the key. Understanding principles is the key to succeed, in long term to succeed with your team. And this is also how our agency works. So when we set up sales for a company, we don't give them proven recipes, we teach them how to understand the principles. And of course we set up the things the way how they currently work. But also when we create the playbooks for them, when we set the things up, we teach them how to improve them in the future. Because what we do today, it will not work in 1 year. It will have to be at least upgraded, okay? So we give them all the secrets, all the principles, so that in the future, they can work on their own. This is how we work, and this is also how you as a leader should work. I hope this helps. Subscribe, comment, like. See you soon. Bye.